Are you a pork chops lover? I know most people love them fried pork chop, but have you ever tried brown stew pork chop? If not, let's make this one together. Garlic, ginger, pimento seed. Going with some onion. Scallion. Some hot pepper. Thyme. Maggi Jugo. Maggi all-purpose. Paprika. A little turmeric. Just a little. Little nutmeg. Use a couple drops. Just a little tip of olive oil on it. Doing this. Alright, so now we'll put them in properly, and then I'm going to marinate overnight. What time I was now? 14 after 11. I'm just a seasoned meat. But I like the seasoned meat. I'm going to marinate. Lock in the flavor. You done with it? Alright. Alright, I'll cover this and put it in the refrigerator. Alright guys, I'm going to share this with you now. Sometimes you think something is not important and it might be important to somebody else, right? So, I usually season my meat in the night, right? And if I get up in the morning and I feel like cook, or even if I'm cooking in the evening and I never take out the meat, soon enough so it can go back down to room temperature, what I do is catch some hot water in a pot or in a basin and just rest the meat pot down in there. And cover it, and quick time it'll get back down to room temperature. So this is something you guys can try. So instead of you fry or sear or stew off, you stew the cold meat, you can do this method. Alright, we go. Don't want no watch, man. I don't want no nice.
Then watch them. Which one you prefer?
None of the above. jump all over the place. Alright, so I'm going with a little bit of barbecue sauce, a little bit of oyster sauce. Alright, so ketchup. Swear, may have only a few drops. I'll combine this. I'm not make too much liquid in it because we're not overcook the pork. It just slightly simmer. Alright. A few drops. Okay. Allow this to reduce a little and then we'll come back. Alright, so as soon as the sauce kind of dry down a little, reduce, I'm going to add the pork chops to it. Alright, I just want to take some of the sauce and kind of just put on the top of the pork. Keep it nice and juicy. Alright, so we're going low, slow and steady, because once it's dried down, that is it. We don't want to overcook the pork, we don't want it tough. Alright. We'll just have to cover that.